What it is, gang? Double Easy. Another episode all about semis. How about you, driver? Well, we are back in South Florida. We're at stop number 2 of a 3-stop delivery for the U.S. Post Office. And we got one more to go. It's going down in West Palm. And yeah. So, back in Florida. It's good to be back on the South, man, I tell you. Even though I'm only gonna be here for a little bit, like I was saying, I'm probably gonna go ahead and go on back out. They got facilities right there on the airport out here, man. It's kind of nice. I haven't been out here. I've been past here, but I never actually been out on the property. So I'm walking over now to go look at the airport, see if I can see any planes on the field. But so far so good on our 30-day run. I got a couple things I need to do to the truck, so I'm gonna probably take care of that over the weekend. So I probably will stay home just for the weekend, and then I'm gonna try and be back out Monday. Yeah, there's a plane over there. Check it out. Y'all see that? He moving too. Southwest. Zoom out a little bit. Boom. But yeah, more than likely I will, come out Monday. I gotta, like I said, put that oil pan on the truck, and I believe I got one of my diaphragms in my trailer axle is bad, so I think I'm hearing a little air leaking. So go ahead and change that out. But so far so good, man. So far so good. I said we're on track. We're decent on our numbers. So yeah, that's where we're trying to go with it. We're trying to just keep that momentum going. So it is money still out here to be made. It's just a matter of getting in the right lanes and following through with it, and just making sure that you're positioning your truck in a area where at every time you deliver, you're in a good position to pick up decent paying freight, because that's the key. Otherwise you're just grabbing loads that look like they're good because they're paying good, and then it drop you somewhere where you can't get a higher revenue. You might get something out of there, but you need a certain consistency of revenue. So that's why I was talking about knowing the commodities that are freight, which is another part of lanes. But I can do a whole nother video on that in itself. But I'm getting ready to get back up in this truck, cut this AC on. I think they got about 30 pallets or 38 pallets to unload, and then we off the West Palm. All right, y'all, peace out. Just got back off the road, got home, and I'm happy to see all of the tomatoes and everything is doing good and happy. We've been getting a lot of rain. I don't know if you guys remember the other video, but this thing is really put on. And look at that. And then you got tomatoes all over the place. They green. And this one back here is growing between the greens. Look at this thing. Got tomatoes all over the place. Oh yeah. I mean, this thing is happy about that. We got peppers still coming. More tomatoes. And I told you guys I like to just grow them wild. These guys done went bad because nobody was here to pick them. So I'm gonna just get rid of all those. A lot of these tomatoes just, yeah, those ones went bad. But we got more coming. More peppers. What in the world? Oh, these are the radishes. Wow. Look at them roots. Hang on. The radish is looking really good. Look, we got more potatoes. They growing all over my mom's. Might as well eat this guy. Got tomatoes up here hanging. Another little tomato. He got tomatoes on him. They ain't turned yet, but look at this Swiss chard. You guys remember this Swiss chard, how tiny it was? These ones are the smaller ones coming up. They're doing pretty good. More tomatoes. Yeah. Looking good. Everything looking good.